What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. In today's video I will show you how to edit your instant form on Facebook ads. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to our ads manager, and then you simply want to select one of your campaigns and hit edit. Now do make sure that this campaign has instant form in it, and then we'll go and switch to the ad level, and over here we'll simply scroll down till the instant form. And as you can see, there is no edit button over here because Facebook doesn't allow you to directly edit that exact form. So what we need to do is to go ahead and click on duplicate, and then we can go ahead and edit anything we want in this form, like questions, intro. So let's say I want to get rid of question number 4, so I simply delete it. Or let's say I want to add another question, so I can simply click on here and type in what's your budget and put in $1, $2, and that's it. And you can also change anything else you want in this form. That's the only way that you can actually go ahead and edit your form. You have to duplicate it and then make the adjustments and edits you want. Alright, hopefully you took some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out some other videos right over here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until the next one, peace.